taking it that you had attended a party rather. And then after attending this party, you want to locate the rewards. So you can click on those 3 bars, which are actually before Forgotten Fowl. There we go. Okay, so there's somewhere where it reads system message. That's where you have to go. Now, there's another way you can get to the rewards. You click the profile tab, then click where it reads reward. Okay. And now you click where it says receive. You confirm. Unless you do that, the rewards won't reflect anywhere. So that's how we do it.